Section 3.5.7 Substantive Offenses Burglary. Hello, I'm Dr. Adam McKee, and today we're exploring the crime of burglary, a key topic from my book, Criminal Justice, an overview of the system. We'll discuss the historical origins of burglary, its modern definition, and the key elements that constitute this crime. Let's get started. Burglary is a crime that has been historically associated with breaking into someone else's home at night. The term, dwelling house of another, was used in common law to describe this requirement. However, today, most states have expanded the definition of burglary to include any structure, such as commercial buildings, garages, and even sheds, and any time of day. The rationale behind this expansion is to protect not only homes but also all other structures where valuable items may be stored. The distinction between residential and commercial burglary is common in many jurisdictions, where the punishment for residential burglary is usually more severe than for commercial burglary. This is because residential burglary is considered to be more serious as it involves the intrusion of a person's private space, which is regarded as sacred under the common law tradition. Modern statutes require that for an act to be considered burglary, there must be a breaking and entering into the home or other structure of another person with the intent to commit a crime inside. Usually, the crime will be theft, but other offenses, such as rape, can also meet the requirements for burglary. A. Breaking is the act of gaining entry by force or deception, and entering means that the perpetrator must have entered the structure. The intent to commit a crime inside the structure is a crucial element of the crime of burglary. If a person breaks into a structure without the intent to commit a crime inside, they may be charged with a lesser offense, such as trespassing. However, if a person enters a structure with the intent to commit a crime inside, such as theft, they can be charged with burglary. For example, if someone breaks into a house by picking the lock with the intent to steal jewelry, this act constitutes burglary. The breaking and entering element is satisfied by picking the lock, and the intent to commit theft inside the house completes the definition of burglary. It is important to note that the timing of the entry does not affect the classification of the crime. Whether the act occurs during the day or night, it is still considered burglary as long as the other elements are present. Understanding the elements of burglary helps us appreciate the seriousness of this crime and the rationale behind its classification. Burglary is not merely a property crime but a violation of personal space and security, which is why it is treated with severity in the legal system. So, why is this topic so important? Recognizing the elements that constitute burglary helps us understand the distinctions between different types of property crimes and the legal principles that guide their prosecution. It also underscores the importance of intent in classifying criminal behavior and determining appropriate punishments. In summary, burglary is a serious crime that involves the breaking and entering of a structure with the intent to commit a crime inside. Modern statutes have expanded the definition of burglary to include various structures and any time of day. The key elements of burglary are breaking and entering, and the intent to commit a crime inside. Understanding these elements is crucial for grasping the legal definition of burglary and its implications in the criminal justice system. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, leave them in the comments below. See you next time.